Crest. I had been dreaming of my wedding day since I was a little girl, but being here with you today is better than anything I could have ever dreamed of. When we first met in CIO, I wasn't sure what to think about you, but my friends encouraged me to give you a chance, and I'm so glad that I did. I specifically remember Devin saying to me early on that you were MDing.
Yeah, when I went to the OD in June of 2019, I thought I was headed into another night of waiting in long lines, spending too much money, and ultimately finding a way to do something stupid. I didn't realize how lost and immature I was at that time. Then suddenly I saw you, and my life changed forever.
From that point forward, things with you only got better. I fell in love with you pretty quickly, but what sealed the deal for me was when I saw how much you care for and about everyone you love. Anything anyone needs, whether it's friends or family, you are always there, especially for me.
That weekend, my phone lit up with a text from you, and I never will forget where I was or who I was with at that moment. Until today, that was the best moment of my life. My friends immediately started laughing, saying I had no chance with you, who they then referred to as that girl. It wasn't much longer until I realized, as they say in Love Island, you ticked all my boxes.
Whether it's driving me to work in a snowstorm, or a trip to Wawa or the fridge for ginger ale at 3 a.m. when my stomach hurts. You have accepted my parents and my sisters as your own, and that means the world to me, because you know how protective I am when it comes to family.
Weeks and an IV fluid later, I knew that I didn't just want something temporary with you. You were someone I wanted an everlasting bond with. It was when I started to meet the people you surround yourself with and your family that I came to learn that you had infinite traits I not only wanted to be around, but also wanted to install in myself.
You are the most fiercely loyal person I know. You never bail on plans, even if I always want to. You're so passionate and dedicated to the things you love, including fantasy football and baseball cards. Today, and only today, will I admit how funny you are.
The way you've devoted your life to caring for other people on a day-to-day basis shows how incredible of a person you are at your core. The way you make things like grocery shopping, stargazing for Jupiter, going on long walks fun, proves how full life can be with you with just the little things, as long as they're with you.
I vow to always laugh with you before bed when we're watching TV. I vow to dance with you in the kitchen, now that we have a dance routine, for the rest of our lives. I vow to always put our family first. I vow to be the best wife I can possibly be, and hopefully mother someday to our future little Henry Church.
I vow to be loyal, I vow to communicate, I vow to be patient, I vow to give you the family we've always dreamt about together. I vow to be yours forever.
I don't think I will ever be able to fully explain to you how much I love you and how much you love me. But I vow to spend the rest of my life trying. You may not be perfect, but you're perfect for me. I love you and I can't wait to be your wife.
Chris and Sierra, by the power vested in me by the Universal Life Church, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Chris, you may now kiss the bride.
I want to start off by congratulating the beautiful couple who just so happen to be two of my most favorite people in the world. I'm so happy I get to stand here with you as you start this new chapter in your lives. I'm so happy and excited to be here with you as you start your lives together, and I couldn't be more proud to be your sister.
Getting to know Sierra and her family and seeing how close they all are over these years, I know that Chris is surrounded by people that love him. And so with that, I will dedicate tonight to officially send Chris off. So he's all yours now, Sierra.
and has welcomed Jess, my parents, and I since the day I met him on that FaceTime call. I've seen not only how much he loves my sister, but also how much he enjoys spending time with my family. Lucky for him, we like him too. We are so happy to officially welcome Chris as well as Nancy into our family, and congratulations to my beautiful sister and Chris. Yeah.